Most people don't realize this. The thing they use every single day is quietly destroying their focus, discipline, and future. You wake up. Before you even think about your goals, you grab your phone. One notification, one video, one scroll, and suddenly 10 minutes becomes 1 hour. You tell yourself, I'll start later. But later becomes tomorrow, and tomorrow becomes another year. Here's the truth. Your phone is not just taking your time. It is training your brain to chase distraction instead of progress. Every time you choose instant entertainment over your goals, you are teaching your mind what to value. And that is why so many people feel stuck. Not because they don't have dreams, not because they don't have potential, but because their attention is controlled by everything around them. In this video, I'll show you 5 ways your phone is stealing your potential and how to take back control. So watch until the end, because the way you use your phone can decide the person you become. Let's start with number 1. 1. Your phone destroys your first hour. The first hour of your day is powerful. It is when your mind is fresh, your energy is high, your focus is strongest. But most people give that hour away. They consume other people's lives before building their own. They check messages, watch random videos, scroll through content that does nothing for their future. And then they wonder why they feel unmotivated. Protect your first hour, because the person who controls their morning controls their direction. 2. Your phone trains you to avoid discomfort. Success requires doing things that are uncomfortable. Studying, learning, building skills, working when nobody is watching. But your phone gives you an escape every second. The moment something feels difficult, you reach for entertainment. And slowly your brain forgets how to handle boredom and pressure. Discipline grows when you stop escaping. 3. Your phone steals your attention. Your attention is one of your most valuable resources. Where your attention goes, your life follows. If your attention goes to distractions, your results will look distracted. Successful people protect their focus. They don't allow everything to access their mind. 4. Your phone creates comparison. You see people winning, traveling, showing success, and you start comparing your real life to someone else's highlight reel. Comparison destroys gratitude. Focus on building your own story. 5. Your phone delays your potential. The biggest danger is not wasting one day. It is repeating the same wasted day for years. Your future is created by what you do consistently. Every time you put the phone down and work on yourself, you move closer to the person you want to become. Remember this, technology is a tool. A tool can build your future or destroy your focus. The difference is who controls who. So today, take back your attention. Use your phone. Don't let your phone use you. If you're ready to take control of your life, comment, control, and subscribe to the Ascentiq Mind. Because real transformation starts when you master yourself.